Selling digital products on System.io is straightforward, thanks to its all-in-one platform that integrates funnels, payments, and email marketing. Here's how to sell your digital products using System.io. Sign up and log in. Create an account on System.io and log in to access your dashboard. Create a sales funnel. From the dashboard, click on Funnels, then Create New Funnel. Choose a funnel goal such as Sell to set up a funnel for your digital product. Select a pre-designed template or build from scratch, adding pages like a landing page, sales page, checkout page, and thank you page. Add your digital product. In the product section, click Add Product. Enter the product name, description, and pricing. Choose digital product and upload the product as a file or deliver it through a download link. Set up payment integration. Connect your payment processor under Settings to accept payments for your digital product. Automate delivery. Use automation to send an email with product access or download link upon purchase. Launch and promote. Once your funnel and products are ready, publish your pages and share your funnel link across social media, email, or ads to attract buyers.